I'll tell you the magic of mathematics, that is Vedic maths. Actually, Vedic maths is made in India product. So to be very precise, we are going to learn mathematics in Desi style. And there is some special and different kinds of tricks used in Vedic maths. So hello friends, my name is Tara Agrawal and I welcome you to my channel Knowledge Pitara. So let's begin by knowing what is Vedic maths and how to use it in our daily life calculations. So if I take an example like what is 42 multiplied by 21. So what you'll do in general is you'll take out your pen, your notebook and start calculating it using traditional method of multiplication. But in Vedic maths, this can be solved within 2 to 4 seconds. So let's see what is 42 multiplied by 21. So it will be 4 to 8, 2 1s are 2 and 8. 8, 8, 2 will be the answer. Let's take another example. Say 33 multiplied by 33. So its answer will be 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9 and then 18. So it will be 1089. Say what is the square of 98? So 98 square will be 9896. 9604. 9604 will be the answer of 98 square. So you have seen that using Vedic maths, I am calculating it so fast. Hardly I took 3 seconds or you can say 4 seconds. So now in this video, we'll learn how to apply Vedic maths in our calculations.
Okay, so as you can see that we have taken an example 42 multiplied by 21. So the concept of Vedic maths is that we have to represent the digits in the form of dots. So in this way, these dots represent the digits, right? The top two dots will represent top two digits, that is 42, 4 and 2. And the bottom two digits will represent 21, that is 2 and 1. So the first step is to find the multiplication of rightmost two digits, that is 1 multiplied by 2, which will give us 2. Second step is we have to multiply the digits diagonally, like 1 multiplied by 4 and 2 multiplied by 2. So 1 multiplied by 4 will give us 4 and 2 multiplied by 2 will give us 4. And then we have to add the results, that is 4 plus 4 will give us 8. So this will be a second digit in the tens place. Now to find the third digit, we have to multiply the leftmost two digits, that is 4 into 2. So 4 into 2 will give us 8. So 882 will be our answer. Now let's move towards next example, that is 33 multiplied by 33. So similarly, we'll multiply rightmost two digits, that is 3 multiplied by 3 will give us 9. Then we have to multiply the digits diagonally, that is 3 multiplied by 3 and then 3 multiplied by 3. So it will give us 9 and then we'll add the result, which will give us 18. 9 plus 9 is equals to 18. So we'll write 8 and 1 will be carried forward. Now the third step is to multiply the leftmost two digits, that is 3 multiplied by 3, which will give us 9 and carry is equals to 1. On adding both we'll get 10 and then we'll write 10 in our answer, which will make it as 1089. So 33 multiplied by 33 will give us 1089. Now third example was to find the square of 98. So whenever we have to find the squares and the number is near to the power of 10, then it's quite easy. So 98 is close to 100 and on adding 2 to 98 we'll get 100. Similarly, we have to subtract 2 from 98 to get 96. So we got two numbers 96 and 100 except our question 98. Now we have to multiply this 96 and 100 to get 9600, 9600. Also we have to make the square of the difference, that is 2 square. So 2 square will give us 4. And then we'll add 9604, which will give us 9604. So our answer will be 9604 for 98 square.
When you apply for any of the competitive examinations like SSC, IIT, CAT, GMAT, etc., or any of the interviews, then their first test is aptitude test. So What matters in the question paper is your time management. And if you do not speed up or do not manage your time, you may end up losing some marks, and hence your rank drops. So what I suggest you is, please bring Vedic maths in your practice and practice as much as you can, so that for you mathematics becomes the fun and calculation becomes very easy for you. I hope you liked the video. If you do, please like it, subscribe to my channel and share with your friends so that they can also be benefited from this video. Thank you very much and have a nice day.